Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Workspace payment method. Whether you're switching to a new credit card or updating your billing information, this process is straightforward and ensures your services continue without interruption. First, head over to admin.google.com and sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account. It's important to note that you'll need admin privileges to access billing settings, so make sure you're logged in with the correct credentials. Once you're in the admin console, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. It's represented by three horizontal lines, often called a hamburger menu. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Billing. This is your central hub for managing all payment and subscription details for your Workspace account. In the Billing section, you'll see a list of your active subscriptions. Locate the specific Google Workspace plan you want to update and click on it. This might be your business standard plan, enterprise plan, or whichever subscription tier you're currently using. Next to your subscription details, you'll find an option labeled View Payment Methods. Click on this to access all the payment options associated with your account. Here you'll see your current primary payment method along with any backup methods you've previously added. The primary method is the one Google charges by default each billing cycle. If the payment method you want to use isn't already listed, you'll need to add it first. Look for a button or link that says Add Payment Method. Click it and you'll be prompted to choose the type of payment, whether that's a credit card, debit card, or bank account. Enter all the required information carefully, including card numbers, expiration dates, and billing addresses. Then save your new payment method. Now comes the final step. Find the payment method you want to set as your primary option. You'll see a button or toggle next to it that allows you to designate it as primary. Click this option and confirm your choice when prompted. This ensures that all future charges will be applied to your newly selected payment method. And that's it. Your Google Workspace billing is now updated and ready to process payments through your new method. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.